Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between Shopify and BigCommerce, two of the biggest e-commerce platforms out there. If you're wondering which one is right for your business, this video will help you figure that out. Both Shopify and BigCommerce let you build a full online store, sell unlimited products, handle payments, manage shipping, and customize your storefront. They're both powerful and trusted by thousands of businesses, but they shine in different areas. Let's start with Shopify is known for being extremely beginner-friendly. Its interface is clean, simple, and designed to help you launch quickly even if you've never built a website before. The setup process is smooth, and you can have your first product live in just a few minutes. Shopify also has a massive app store, with thousands of integrations that let you add almost any feature you can think of, from loyalty programs to reviews, subscriptions, upsells, and more. Another huge advantage is how well Shopify handles multi-channel selling. You can easily connect your store to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and other platforms so you can sell everywhere your customers hang out. Now, there are a few downsides to Shopify. Some features require paid apps, which means your monthly costs can add up over time. Also, if you use a payment gateway other than Shopify payments, you'll pay extra transaction fees. So, while Shopify is easy and flexible, it can become a bit pricier depending on how you set things up. Moving on to BigCommerce comes packed with a lot of features right out of the box. Things like advanced SEO settings, detailed product filtering, and powerful tools for B2B sales are already built in, so you don't need as many third-party apps. That's great for stores that want full control and scalability. BigCommerce also doesn't charge extra transaction fees, even if you use third-party payment gateways, which can save you money if your sales volume grows. However, BigCommerce has a steeper learning curve. It's more technical and can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're used to simple drag-and-drop setups. It's also worth noting that BigCommerce's plans automatically upgrade once you reach certain sales limits, meaning as your store grows, your plan and your cost might increase. And while it has an app store, it's smaller than Shopify's, so your customization options are a bit more limited. So which one should you pick? If you're new to e-commerce or want something easy, quick, and visually polished, Shopify is probably your best bet. It's reliable, easy to scale, and has tons of apps and templates to help you grow. But if you're a more advanced seller, or you want built-in tools for complex catalogs, wholesale, or SEO, BigCommerce might be the better long-term investment. At the end of the day, both are excellent choices. It really depends on your business goals and how hands-on you want to be. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide between Shopify and BigCommerce, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. And drop a comment below telling me which platform you're leaning toward and why. See you in the next one.